Hi, Arindam. It's nice to have you here.
Thank you,
Please,
ma'am. Nice
please
to meet you too.
introduce yourself.
So my name is Arindam Chatterjee. I am currently working in Cognizant, and I am like basically from West Bengal. So currently I have got through ISP and IM. So I'm planning to pursue my MBA studies from ISP itself. So thanks to you for guiding me through the interview and SOB process. So
Right. So, Arindam, how did you shortlist the universities to apply to?
practically, I have an aim of like staying in India itself. Like I have a long-term plan of staying in India. So I have practically chosen Indian-based schools for my future studies. So I have like shortlisted ISP and IIM ABC in round one. So I have got through ISP and IIMB. So no next plan. So if I couldn't have got through, then I could have like thought of different B schools again. But like my long-term plan was staying in India itself. Long-term plan and my main aim was to serve India itself. So I have chosen ISP as my option.
So, GMAT is a very important step when you are planning for MBA admissions. So, what would be, the tips and strategies that you would share for preparation for the GMAT? Any resources that you would
From
recommend?
Yes, ma'am. From my point of view, like OG was a kind of a guide for me. Like it's kind of a Bible or Gita for me. So I have learned each and everything for the OG guide. Like first 3 months, I have prepared well. The OG 2021 guide, like 2021, I have given GMAT along with two books which they are providing. The GMAT team, like the verbal book and the quant book. So I have read that very thoroughly, and then the next strategy was to solve the OG guide properly and then appear for one of the mocks in MBA.com. So I did that. And in the first mock, I have scored 670. So then you need to analyze that where you are lacking, where you are not scoring well. So I have analyzed and I have got through that. I was lacking in data sufficiency part and the verbal part. So I have taken coaching for one of the coaching institute for my verbal part. And for data sufficiency part, I enrolled to gmatclub.com, which is a free resource. And I start solving like 700 up questions there. And after preparing for 3 months again, I have given GMAT again, like not actual GMAT, but the mock test, not MB.com. Then secondly, I have scored 720. Then again, I analyzed the mock that where I am lacking and all. So I have prepared well and I solved many questions and all. So at last, like I have scored 750 in mock test. And last mock, like the coaching institute which I have taken from, so they have given one free mock. So I have given that. And finally, I have scored 760. And real exam on GMAT I have given on 1st of July 2021. And by God grace, and hopefully my good like labor and all, so I have scored 760 GMAT score.